Yes, dear students, I am starting the video for class 12 syllabus. Uh, I will try my best. No one is perfect. I may commit mistakes, but I will try uh, to be a good one for your benefit. Our first chapter in class 12 is electrostatics. What is electrostatic? In electrostatic, we study the force, field, and potential produced by static electric charge. Static electric charge means electric charge at rest. So electrostatic deals with electric charge which is at rest in one sense. Now, how the charge was discovered? Discovery of electric charge. Discovery of electric charge. Actually, discoveries makes us aware of the fact that how slowly we have developed all these things which we are enjoying. Uh, it was Thales of Miletus, a town in Greece. Yunnan, you can call Yunnan also. Thales of Miletus, 600 BC, discovered that when amber was rubbed with silk or wool, then it started attracting light, means of less mass, light particles like bits of paper, with board and any other material like plastic balls. You can think here what is amber. What is amber? Amber is an amorphous mixture of resins, of hydrocarbons, succinylate acid, and oils. It appears blackish, amber. I am telling what is amber because we keep on telling things, but sometimes it creates confusion. We don't know what is amber. Similarly with gold. It's more balls made up of material like thermocol, है ना? On which we paint some conductive paint. Styro लिखा था styrofoam. Foam means thermocol. You have seen thermocol, small balls of, in the form styrofoam, which are painted some conductive material or with balls. Thale of Miletus, 600 BC, discovered that when amber was rubbed with silk or wool, then it started attracting light particles like bits of paper and pithball, etc. And here it was said that on rubbing amber get electric charge. Now electricity or get electrified. Now the word electricity was named from amber. In Greek language, amber means electrons. Sorry, not electron, sorry. It is like this. Electron. This was the name of amber in Greek. So electricity name was derived from this electron word. So that way Thale discovered in 600 BC that amber get charged when rubbed with silk or wool, and this observation of Thale remained unnoticed and was not given any importance. Later on, Gilbert, nearly 1600 years ago, Gilbert discovered that like amber there are other materials. Like amber there are other materials which on rubbing get electrified and start attracting light particles. So there is a long history, but in brief, we must know how the things came to our brain. Now, later on, many experiments were done, and Gilbert himself. Now we can say here, when glass rod rubbed with silk. Then it also attracts small pieces of papers. Similarly, ebonite rod. Ebonite again an insulating material obtained from plants. Ebonite rod rubbed with fur of cat or wool. It also attracts light particles. One thing very interesting here, when you rub glass rod with silk and bring them together, they attract each other, but after a while that repulsion, that attraction is eliminated. They will not attract for longer time, after a longer time. Similarly, the ebonite rod and fur of cat, when rubbed and brought closer, they also attract. And again, in keeping them in touch, no longer they attract. So these are some observations. Now, after very careful observations, like if we bring two glass rods rubbed with silk, if we bring two glass rods rubbed with silk, they repel. Suppose it is a glass rod rubbed with silk. It was suspended here by a thread, glass rod. Heavy. And another glass rod rubbed with silk. If a glass rod close to it, they repel. After rubbing, before rubbing, nothing happens. Similarly, if we bring two ebonite rod closer after rubbing, they also repel. But ebonite rod and glass rod, after rubbing are brought, they attract. Glass rod rubbed with silk and ebonite rod rubbed with fur of cat, when brought closer, they attract each other. It means it was concluded that charges on ebonite rod and glass rod are different. They are different. Benjamin Franklin of America to gave the positive and negative charge, because just what I was telling you, a glass rod rubbed with silk, aqua get electrified and silk also get electrified, but when they are brought in contact, no net charge there. It means that you add +2 with -2, 0. So on this base, he poured the charge of plus and minus, negative and positive charge conventionally. Electric charge acquired by glass rod. By glass rod. On nothing with carbonate glass rod. Electric charge acquired by glass rod with silk is said to be positively charged. But this question was asked CBSE. When we rub glass rod to silk, which type charge appears? And carbonate rod acquires negative charge after running. So I will take the topics later on because lengthy video are not liked by people.